I tried BullPay review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. BullPay claims to help users earn cash through simple online tasks, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's either a scam or too complicated. I spent a full week testing it. On day 1, I signed up. The surprising truth, registration was quick, secure, and straightforward, with clear instructions on linking accounts and setting preferences. Many assume these apps are cumbersome, but BullPay makes it easy. Day 2, I explored available tasks. You won't believe how varied they were: surveys, app trials, and short assignments that didn't require advanced skills. Most people assume online earning apps offer minimal or boring options, but BullPay provides legitimate variety. Day 4, I completed my first tasks and requested a payout. The app processed payments quickly and without hidden fees. Many users get this wrong, thinking small earning apps delay or withhold payouts, but BullPay was transparent. By day 6, I tracked cumulative earnings and bonuses. Notifications and task reminders helped me maximize opportunities efficiently. Most people assume such apps are passive or low return, but BullPay encourages consistent engagement. On day 7, my final verdict: BullPay review. App is legit, user-friendly, and offers real earning potential for small online tasks. The shocking truth: earning online doesn't have to be complicated or risky. With the right app, you can make extra cash reliably. With clear instructions, quick payouts, and a variety of tasks, BullPay proves that digital side income can be accessible, transparent, and surprisingly effective.